Brackets can be added easily by pressing F7. They don't have any functionality per se, but allow you to organize and group things together. Markers can be moved by dragging them around. You can remove them by doing a right click and then clicking on the cross. You can edit them by doing a right click and changing the text. When added, they also add an element here to the markers list, which can be used as a guide to your project. Whenever you click on any of them, they will redirect you to the corresponding part of your project. Frames can be added by doing F5. They don't have any functionality per se, but allow you to organize your stuff. You can drag them wherever you want. You can also do a right click and change their size and their text.